Top 50 things to know about the aerospace industry. 1. Pioneering origins. Aerospace evolved from early aviation efforts in the 19th century. 2. Civil and military sectors. Aerospace is divided into civil aviation, commercial aircraft, and defense, military aircraft and technologies. 3. Major segments. The industry covers aircraft, spacecraft, satellites, and associated systems. 4. Key organizations. NASA, ESA, Boeing, Airbus, Lockheed Martin are some key players. 5. Space exploration. From the moon landing to Mars exploration, aerospace plays a crucial role. 6. Aviation safety. The industry emphasizes high safety standards, making flying the safest mode of travel. 7. Sustainability focus. The industry is moving toward cleaner fuels and electric propulsion systems. 8. Global industry. Aerospace companies operate across continents with the US and Europe leading. 9. Supply chain complexities. The industry relies on a vast global supply chain for parts and materials. 10. Pilot shortage. There's an ongoing concern over the global shortage of trained pilots. 11. R&D intensive. Aerospace requires heavy investment in research and development, R&D. 12. Satellite industry. Satellite technology is integral for communication, GPS, and Earth observation. 13. Space tourism. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are opening up space for commercial tourism. 14. Urban air mobility. Flying cars and air taxis could revolutionize urban transportation. 15. Electric aircraft. Many companies are developing electric aircraft to reduce emissions. 16. Supersonic travel. Projects like Boom Supersonic aim to revive faster-than-sound passenger flights. 70. Private investment surge. Private companies and investors are entering space exploration and travel. 18. AI integration. AI is used for predictive maintenance, air traffic management, and design. 19. Autonomous drones. UA manned aerial vehicles are growing in both military and civil sectors. 20. Commercial spaceports. The number of spaceports for private spaceflights is increasing globally. 21. 3D printing, used extensively for lightweight, custom aerospace parts. 22. Carbon fiber materials, increasing use of lightweight materials like carbon fiber to improve efficiency. 23. Cybersecurity, vital in preventing threats to aerospace systems, including planes and satellites. 24. Climate change impact. Weather pattern changes affect flight routes and aircraft efficiency. 25. International Space Station. It remains a symbol of international aerospace cooperation. 26. Global passenger growth. Aviation demand is expected to double by 2037, primarily from Asia. 27. FAA and EASA, US and European regulators that set aerospace standards and regulations. 28. MRO industry. Maintenance, repair, and overhaul. MRO is essential for aircraft longevity and safety. 29. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI is revolutionizing aircraft design, operations, and passenger experience. 30. Space launch vehicles. Rockets that deliver satellites and payloads into space are in high demand. 31. Mars mission. NASA and private companies are focused on manned missions to Mars by 2030. 32. Aerospace startups. Small, agile startups like Rocket Lab and Relativity Space are challenging the giants. 30. Defense contracts. Major aerospace companies receive defense contracts for military aircraft and systems. 34. Autonomous aircraft. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and drones are growing in the military and logistics. 35. Hypersonic aircraft, capable of speeds greater than Mach 5 in development for military use. 36. Space mining. The extraction of minerals from asteroids is seen as a future industry. 37. Zero-gravity research. Aerospace companies are offering flights to test research in zero-gravity environments. 38. High-altitude platforms. Aircraft and balloons designed to operate at the edge of space. 39. Reusable rockets. SpaceX's reusable rockets are reducing space launch costs. 40. Cargo drones. Companies like Amazon are working on drones to deliver cargo over long distances. 41. Next-gen radar. Radar technology advances for air traffic management and collision avoidance. 42. AI in cockpits. AI co-pilots are becoming part of the cockpit, reducing human error. 43. E-planes. Electric planes for short-haul flights are in early testing phases. 44. Aviation fuel innovation. Development of sustainable aviation fuel SAF is a major focus. 45. Satellite constellations, large satellite networks like Starlink are changing global communications. 46. Supersonic research. NASA's X-59 is advancing low-boom supersonic flight research. 47. Aerospace workforce. There's a growing demand for engineers, pilots, and technicians. 48. Vertiports. Infrastructure for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL aircraft is under development. 49. Airline digitalization. Airlines are enhancing operations using big data and predictive analytics. 50. Mars colonization. Aerospace firms are exploring the potential of human settlement on Mars. Top 20 innovations in aerospace. 1. Reusable rockets, SpaceX. 2. Supersonic jets, Boom Supersonic. 3. Electric aircraft, Aviation's Alice. 4. Vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL aircraft. 5. 3D printed parts. 6. Autonomous UAVs. 7. Hypersonic aircraft. 8. Advanced composites. 9. Satellite constellations, Starlink. 10. Space mining technologies. 11. Artificial intelligence in design. 12. High-altitude platforms. 13. Quantum computing in navigation. 14. AI-powered cockpits. 15. Zero-emission propulsion systems. 16. Reusable spacecraft. 17. Urban air mobility platforms, flying taxis. 18. Biofuels for aviation. 9. Predictive maintenance systems. 20. Augmented reality for pilots. Future trends. 1. Urban air mobility, UAM. Flying taxis and air shuttles are anticipated to become viable by the 2030s. 2. Electrification of aircraft. Electric propulsion will revolutionize short-haul flights. 3. Space tourism. More commercial space flights will be available to civilians. 4. Reusable spacecraft, lowering the cost of access to space. 5. AI and automation. Autonomous aircraft and AI-controlled drones will dominate airspaces. 6. Supersonic travel. Supersonic jets for commercial flights will re-emerge. 7. Sustainable aviation fuel, SAF. Widespread adoption of eco-friendly fuels. 8. Satellite internet. Expanding global internet access via satellite constellations. 9. Mars colonization. Expanding research and investment into human space habitats. 10. Advanced manufacturing. Additive manufacturing and 3D printing will enhance. 6. Raytheon Technologies. 7. General Dynamics. 8. Rolls-Royce. 9. Bombardier. 10. Dassault Aviation. 11. Safran. 12. Leonardo. 13. Embraer. 14. United Launch Alliance. ULA. 15. Textron. 16. Sierra Nevada Corporation. 17. Thales Group. 18. L3 Harris Technologies. 19. Bell Textron. 20. Blue Origin. Top 20 World Business Aerospace News. 1. NASA's Artemis missions. 2. SpaceX's Starship Progress. 3. Airbus A321XLR launch. 4. Boom Supersonics Overture. 5. Boeing's 737 MAX reintroduction. 6. U.S. Space Force expansion. ESA's Moon Exploration Program. 8. Airlines adopting sustainable fuels. 9. Private space stations. 10. Hypersonic weapon development. 11. Urban air mobility trials. 12. Satellite internet networks. 13. India's Chandrayaan missions. 14. China's Tiangong space station. 15. Reusable rockets becoming mainstream. 16. AI-powered air traffic control. 17. FAA's space traffic management. 18. UAV commercial use expansion. 19. Electric airplane development. Space debris management. Future of urban air mobility, UAM. Urban air mobility aims to provide air taxi services and short-distance urban transportation. Companies like Joby Aviation and Lilium are leading the way, with fully electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, eVTOLs, expected to revolutionize commuting, reducing congestion and travel time. Key challenges include air traffic management, infrastructure development, vertiports, and regulatory approval. By 2030, UAM could be a standard transportation option in major cities.